Login loop error on Citizens Bank fix. If you keep getting stuck in a login loop on your Citizens Bank app where you enter your username and password, but the app just reloads the login page, you're not alone. This issue has been frustrating many users lately, but there's a simple fix that most people overlook. Most people think the problem is their password, but here's the surprising truth: login loops are almost never caused by wrong credentials. They usually happen because of cache data, outdated app versions, or temporary security sync errors between your phone and the bank's servers. Start by closing the Citizens Bank app completely. Then go to your phone settings, find apps, select Citizens Bank and tap storage. Now, clear both the cache and app data. This removes corrupted session information that may be forcing your app to reload repeatedly. Next, reopen the app and log in manually. Avoid using autofill or save passwords this time. Sometimes, autofill reintroduces old login tokens that trigger the loop again. If you normally use Face It or Fingerprint login, disable it temporarily until your first successful sign-in. If you're still looping, check your phone's time and date settings. Make sure Tire set to automatic. Citizens Bank system uses encrypted time-based verification, so if your clock is even slightly off, the server may reject the login attempt. Also, disable any FIN proxy or ad blocker while logging in. The bank system might flag those as suspicious connections and prevent your session from completing. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall the Citizens Bank app. This ensures you're running the latest version with all recent bug fixes. Once you log in successfully, set up biometric or two-factor authentication again for faster, safer access next time. So, if your Citizens Bank app keeps looping at login, don't stress, it's not your account. Clear your cache, check your time settings, update the app, and you'll be back to banking smoothly in no time.